In this in this video, I'm going to show how to access RStudio cheat sheets and one other trick that you might want to know about. This file we don't need it anymore. It's from the previous video. So in Help, if you open RStudio and you go to the tab Help, you'll see that there is an item here in the menu that says cheat sheets. There's a bunch of cheat sheets that you can use, and this one here, the one that's called RStudio IDE cheat sheet, is the one that we recommend you to download. It's a PDF that looks like this, and it has, in a very compact way, a lot of information that will help you become a more fluid user of RStudio IDE. In addition to this, as you can see, there is keyboard shortcuts here, and they are extremely useful, but honestly there is only one that you need to learn to have access to pretty much everything that you can do in RStudio in a very quick way, and that is this one here. So when I'm going to show what that looks like. So basically anything you can do with RStudio can be accessed with clicks or with keywords. So with clicks, for example, if you go to restart your session, you would go to clicks on session and restart R, right? So that's one way. Actually, I said two ways, there is three ways. The other way would be directly to type on your keyboard, or to press the keys to generate that keyboard shortcut. That will do the trick. So I'm going to do it right now. Shift Control F10 on my system. That should restart RStudio. There we go. Restarting R. Sorry, I said restart RStudio. No, what I mean is restart R. To restart RStudio, you can click here on the little RStudio icon and click on the same name of the project if you have one open, and that would close and reopen the project. But going back to the different ways of doing things, so I show you that you can do something, for example, restarting R from the menu, from the keyboard shortcut, and with that, let me show you again. Remember here I highlighted text that shows that with the keyword Shift, Control, and P, you pop up what's the command bar in RStudio that looks like this. And then you can start typing any keyword, for example, the keyword restart, and that will filter all the options that you can do, all the commands that you can do in RStudio, and highlight the one that you want. It shows you the keyword shortcut for it, so you can start learning it, but if you press enter right away, it will do that action. So with that one keyword shortcut, Shift Control P, you have access to doing in a very quick way a lot of the things, including to discover some things that you may not know about. Like, for example, on my screen here, I already read a few things, like insert pipe operator, for example, that pops up, and that's something that, oh, what's that? So I can probably click that and see that it has inserted the pipe symbol in the base package. Anyway, that's all for now. So we have just talked about how to access the RStudio IDE cheat sheet